So I got Bobby's tractor running the other day, and it wasn't idling much, but we couldn't get this oil bath breather figured out. So I got out here today and got it figured out, and it's running. Well, it's running good enough to keep idling. I'm going to try a little adjustment on the carburetor here. I adjusted the carburetor a little bit. Oh, there's another adjustment. I didn't even see that one. Bobby, I turned this other screw right here and it picked up some more. I might just let it sit there and run. You know, I poured about a half a can of seafoam down in the gas tank the other day. I mean, the thing ain't been run for 20 years. It does have a new carburetor on it, and he did clean the gas tank out. However, I think a little seafoam running through the motor wouldn't do it no harm, so I might just let it sit. I could close this door so the exhaust fumes aren't getting in there so bad. I didn't realize there's another adjustment screw right here. He's running pretty good, actually. I think what I'm going to do is cut it off so I can work in the garage here. But I mean, that's pretty good, I think. I'm gonna cut her off. I got some metal bending to do. So I got something I can't forgive myself for, and I'm gonna need y'all to help me forgive myself for doing what I did by imagining what it would have been like if I hadn't have done what I did. And what I did was this: I got Bobby's tractor running so sweet yesterday, and he came over and he got on it and he drove it home. And I followed him because I had the spare parts and the old gas I took out of it and stuff in my car. And plus, if he broke down, you know, I was going to rescue him and all. That thing ran like a charm. He's going down the road, got a little red shirt on, matching the red tractor, you know. And at one point, I was able to, on the dirt road, drive beside him, hang a camera out the window to get a shot of him on that happy old Ford tractor. That thing looks so cute. It was such a great video. So I came in, I stuck it in my computer, and my computer does this weird thing, like you put it in there and it won't copy into the computer. You have to cancel it and then come back and pull it up again. Well, for some reason this time it came up right away, automatically, all by itself. So I put it in the computer, took it out, erased the disk, put it back in my camera. Got up to make a video this morning and it wasn't there, it's gone. And not only is it gone, but since I erased the disk, I can't get it back. I can't go back and reclaim it. It's just gone. That beautiful video of him riding down the road on that fine restored 1939 9N Ford tractor, it's gone. So since I can't fix what I did wrong, I made a mistake. But you could imagine it. So just, if you would, just sit back and imagine. Just imagine that fine looking tractor going down the road, Bobby riding on it, big grin on his face, you know, the trees and the dirt road. Just contemplate that for a while in order to help me not obsess about what I did wrong, because you can help make my life better. If you can do that for me, I'd appreciate it. Talk to you later, soon.